conscious consumption and turning awareness into action. That's why we're introducing technology in the mix so that people can get more excited with putting away your plastics. What we have right now in front is the machine, or SRX. So the Smart Recycling Express is our mobile pop-up collection drive module, no, that we send out to different areas para yung i-donate yung waste can be converted into points. And then the points can be converted into actual rewards, which you can see once you register for an account.
Pag-collecta ng waste, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to my colleagues, mga mabsters. Salamat po sa pagsuporta sa aming maliit na proyekto, sa aming si Sir Miguel, nagpakita sa amin ng possibilities of what we can achieve if we can be sincere about the things that we can do.